Customer, we are doing this project called Green Project. Okay, Green Project. Now, who wants to become the project manager for that? All right, come on, very good. Give her a big hand. Come on. Alright, people who volunteer. Very good, very good. What's your name, ma'am? Come on. Sorry? Shubhangi. So Shubhangi is the project manager for this project called Project Green. So I'm going to explain, Shubhangi, what's this project all about. After that, it's your project. This is your development team. See some great people here. Yeah. So the project is very simple. After 20 so you have to pass this object called green from one hand to another hand. While passing, it needs to have some air time. That means I can't come and give it to him like this. I have to pass it in little bit of air. Are you with me? That's number one. Okay? Now, this way, if I pass 20 hands without dropping this object, we will call it one production release for your customer. Because engineers only understand production release. Right? So one production release is how many successful hands? 20 successful hands. That's called a production release. So I'm going to give you 1 minute to see, as a project manager, how many releases you can deliver for me in 1 minute. Sounds good? Yep. Everybody agree? Yep. Everybody understood? You also understood, project manager? I don't care about anybody else. You are my project manager. The report has to come from Shubhangi. Shubhangi, right? Yes. So your 1 minute starts now. Alright, stop. How many releases?
One.
There was no dropping in between? Two. So then it is not a release.
First release was successful.
After 20 hands, so whole 20 hands it was fine. Okay, so one release is there. So the second release is not there. So the clause is, you guys didn't ask what happens if there is a defect. Project manager, you also didn't ask. What if there is a defect? So the defect is, you restart that release once again from zero count if there is a defect. Otherwise it's okay. And whatever release is done, is done. Sounds good? So in 1 minute, how many green projects, this green project delivered how many? One release. Okay? Now, there is an org announcement. The org announcement is like this. There is a project coming from CEO called Project Blue. Alright? Not like Monday Blues, like Project Blue. Alright? Now this Project Blue is coming from the CEO. We need a volunteer PM, alright, to run this project for us. Okay? Who wants a direct visibility to the CEO? Ah, I like it.
Yeah, this wall has to be passed in the alphabetic order. Okay, so guys, please get into alphabetic order. Maybe like it starts with A, B, C. Okay, can we do it? We have marked A, B, C, D, E, like this. Starting with A. Please, A guys.
Green project, how many releases? Oh, you're counting releases or people?
One.
I like the calculation. No. One. I really like that. This project, one. Okay. Yeah, Siddheshwar.
0.
Come on. CEO project 0? None from her. At least one. Okay. अच्छे दिन नहीं आने वाले तुम्हारे, हाँ. Okay, this is 0. All right. Now, there is a org announcement. There is a project coming from the CEO of the organization, group CEO, who sits in the US. All right. So she wants to give a very project called Project Red. Who wants a direct visibility to the group CEO? All right, come on, Sumit. Yeah, you are going to meet her today. Okay. Now the other two project managers come here. I'm going to explain you. Huh?
Can I change my project?
I know. Now, let me ask all of you. How many of you are confused what to be done here? Raise your hand, please don't chat. These project managers are not going to kill you, don't worry. Lot of you are confused,
Yeah.
but the instructions are so simple. I have 3 most qualified people in the room. Why are you confused?
They got very less
That
time.
was not
Okay.
collaboration.
So they are not allowing you to collaborate.
Communication.
They are not giving you communication also, and they are asking you to release.
Clear instructions. Clear
I have full sympathy with all of you. How do you work in your organization? Okay, you can't say that.
There is no connectivity between product manager and
There is no connectivity. Okay, so what do you want? Metro train?
You told me to put the ball and I, right?
Ah.
So instead of throwing to 2 hands, right, I can throw like this and I can put. So one
So he has some ideas, of innovative ideas. Nobody is listening. Doing these 3 projects simultaneously. I am going to explain one last time what these 3 projects are. After that, you all decide how to do it. Sounds good? Let me say, green project. The green project is that it should move 20 hands successfully without dropping. And while moving, there should be some air time. Okay, now do I care? Unique hands? Did I say unique hands? No, you decide. Sounds good? 20 successful hands in any order. I don't care. Now, everybody okay with green project? What's the blue project or the violet project? The blue project is that it should move 20 hands. The only thing is this time it should move in an alphabetic order. Now, does it have to be again 20 unique people? Did I say that? No, I don't decide. 5 people doing it in an order also works for me. I don't care. The third is red project. The red project is again 20 successful hands, but this time it is in the order of month of birth, increasing order. That means January people first, then February, then March, and so on and so forth. Everybody understood all the 3 projects? Yes. I'm going to give you 1 minute as a group to plan how you are going to do it. After 1 minute, okay, I am going to shout that your 1 minute is over and your 1 minute of performance or playing is starting. Okay? In that, after that, you have to tell me the count. Sounds good? Everybody okay with the instructions?
Two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12.
जून जुलाई का चालू है अभी let them finish more projects.
Green project, 3 releases. Blue project, 4. 4? Wow, क्या खा क्या है? Chawatprash. Alright, 4. Red project. Red project.
1.
1 release red.
36 passes is 1.
No, tell me the releases. For red. So 1, okay. Yeah. So it is 1. I know we like to take the credit of half work done. But that's the mentality we have to come out of. So it's only 1 release. I know how you feel because we'll get that increment. Yeah, I know. Okay, now I'm going to again give you last 1 minute. You want to inspect and adapt to see if something can be changed. Could there be more better? Like you were 36, could it, if you would have done something different to get to 40 or somewhere more, okay? So 1 minute of planning and after that again I will shout that your 1 minute of playing starts, okay? So 1 minute of planning starts now. Alright, green, how many? 5. Blue. Blue. Blue is 4 again? 4? Sir, one answer, 4 or 5? 4. Alright, very good. Red. 4. 4. Wow, you did something different. Alright. Okay.